Located in Cranston's lively and charming Pawtucket village, this sunlit colonial presents a seaside lifestyle steps from the picturesque coastline. A farmer's porch welcomes you as you walk into the main entry. Enjoy beautifully combined living, dining, and entertaining space in this appealing open-concept design. Lustrous hardwood floors and crisp crown molding tie it all together, while a handsome gas fireplace lends a peaceful glow. Move into the chef's kitchen to discover gorgeous granite counters, stainless steel appliances, under-cabinet lighting, and a center island for informal suppers. A set of glass doors off the dining area opens to a two-tiered rear deck with steps leading down to the fenced yard, offering a bonus shed, perennial gardens, and a pergola-covered patio for intimate dining. Segue back inside, where a lovely half bath and access to the attached two-car garage round out the main floor. Follow the stairs down to the partially finished lower level, where you'll extend your hosting space with a custom bar and recreation area. Now move upstairs to the second floor. 3 bright and comfortable bedrooms nicely accommodate family and guests, served by a full bath. Finally, discover the home's primary suite, featuring a cathedral ceiling, an ensuite bath with a stone vanity, and a glass-enclosed tiled shower lets you add more modern allure to daily living. The home, located on the Gaspee Day Parage Route, allows for short walks to the shops and restaurants of historic Pawtucket Village. Also in walking distance are the Edgewood Yacht Club, the Rhode Island Yacht Club, and Stillhouse Cove. You'll be 15 minutes from the variety of retail and dining at the Garden City and Chapel View shopping centers. Nearby Roger Williams Park captivates kids of all ages. With easy access to Interstate 95, you can reach Providence nightlife in 10 minutes, TF Green Airport and its commuter rail in less than 15 minutes, or the beaches of South County in just over 30 minutes. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Beth DeSista at area code 401-486-8397.